It's so important to paint the picture in the beginning of the loan process. That's like the critical point. When we have a project that we're looking for financing, to secure financing for, painting the picture in the beginning is the most important part. So we have to understand the sponsors of the transaction. Who are they? What have they done in the past? What's their financial statement look like? What's their schedule of real estate owned? Have they bought or operated a similar type of asset? What is their experience that's correlating to this particular business venture, whether it's an RV park, a wedding venue, a wine bar? We have to paint a picture for the underwriters and the business development officer at the bank to understand who you are, what the project entails. And there's certain types of loans that are a little riskier to banks and credit unions, such as wedding venues and so forth, right? Who are the operators? Who are the sponsors? Have they done this? What's their track record? What is their financial net worth? These are the things that we got to paint the picture, put the project in the best light possible. And obviously, if the sponsors are missing some of the key elements like their net worth and so forth, makes it a little bit harder to get the loan approved. And that's why we got to spend the time up front to write a detailed business plan, to do detailed projections, to potentially have third-party feasibilities. If you're doing a ground-up project for self-storage, get a feasibility study. These are the things as you're laying your business plan out that are critical, because you have third-party validation on your assumptions, which makes the underwriting process specifically to SBA a lot easier to sell and get approved. So really, this message is for business loans or real estate loans, commercial real estate loans. It's let's do the work up front. It's going to make the loan process a lot easier. It's going to make finding and identifying the right bank or non-bank lender a lot easier. And a lot of people come with great ideas of what they're starting, but they don't have a business plan. They don't have concepts. They don't have projections. It's so important to have this up front. So if I were to be buying a business right now, and or if it was a startup, specifically if it was a startup, I would engage a third party to help me put together a really detailed business plan. Now, if you're super analytical and you're great at writing business plans and doing research, then maybe you can do it on your own. But if you're looking to start a business and you're really gung-ho about doing this, it makes sense to get a third-party professional group to help you put this business plan together. And it may cost you $2-3 grand or $1,500, whatever the scope ends up being for the project. But it's going to make you a lot more bankable. And at the end of the day, that's the ultimate thing you want to do, is become more bankable.
You're listening to the Investor Financing Podcast. We'll be right back after this break.
Hello, Beau here, host of the Investor Financing Podcast. Are you a lender, real estate professional, or vendor that provides products or services within the real estate investing and business owner space? We are offering a few sponsorship opportunities to get in front of a highly targeted audience. If you're interested, please click the link below for further information. We look forward to talking with you. Thanks. Make it a great day.
So doing the work up front is going to make the process of getting the loan that much easier, right? So if you don't have a very good plan, and let's just say you call me, I'm going to help you try to put the plan together and put the right people in place to do the feasibility, to help you with the business plan. But if you're not going to do that and you just think you're going to get the loan, unless you got a substantial net worth, it's going to be a little bit more challenging. So if we put the pieces together up front, it's going to make the process so much easier. So I can't stress this enough, that let's do the work up front so we can get you the funding you need. Anyway, that's my rant of the day, but I'm happy to discuss any type of project. We're seeing a lot of kind of outside the box projects, and that's kind of my skill set, where I can get the information from you, tell you what you realistically need from a financial standpoint, from a net worth standpoint, and how this deal could actually be pieced together so we can get it successfully funded. That's my job. It's what I do. Happy to book a call with you below, and we can talk about your plan or what you're looking to do or your expansion. A lot of different lending options. There's thousands of lenders out there. So there's usually a lender, the right lender for the particular loan. It's just about putting the package together, finding out the strengths and weaknesses, and then going from there. Anyways, see you on the next episode. Hope you enjoyed the rant.